Welcome to the Ultimate YouTube Channel Setup Guide. Hi everyone! Are you ready to start your journey as a content creator? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up your very own YouTube channel from scratch. Whether you want to create gaming videos, tutorials, vlogs, or educational content, this tutorial will make it simple and straightforward. First things first, you need a Google account to create a YouTube channel. If you already have one, you can skip this step. If not, go to accounts.google.com and click on Create Account. Fill in your details like name, email, and password. Once you've signed in, you're ready to set up your channel. Next, head over to YouTube. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon and select Create a Channel. You'll see a pop-up asking if you want to use your name or a custom brand name. Choose whichever fits your channel. Now it's time to make your channel your own. Go to the Customize Channel section in YouTube Studio. Here's what you can do. Add an image that represents your brand. It could be a logo or a headshot of yourself. Create a banner with your channel name and theme using tools like Canva. The recommended size is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Write a compelling description about your channel. Share what viewers can expect and why they should subscribe. Before you start uploading videos, configure your channel settings. Go to the Settings section in YouTube Studio. Add your channel keywords. For example, if your channel is about fitness, use keywords like workouts, healthy living, or weight loss. Set the visibility of new videos to public, private, or unlisted. You can add team members if you're working with others. Now comes the fun part, creating your first video. Here's a quick guide. Decide on your topic and script your video. Use a smartphone or camera. Make sure the lighting and audio are clear. Use free editing tools like iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, or CapCut. Add text, transitions, and music to make it engaging. Once your video is ready, click the Create button in YouTube Studio and select Upload Video. Follow these steps. Title. Use a catchy and descriptive title that includes relevant keywords. Description. Write a detailed description with links to your social media or website. Tags. Add relevant tags to help people find your video. Thumbnail. Design a custom thumbnail to grab attention. Canva is a great tool for this.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this?
Your channel is live, but how do you get people to watch? Share your videos on social media like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Join communities related to your niche and engage with others. Ask friends and family to subscribe and share your channel. Once you've uploaded a few videos, it's time to track your performance. Go to YouTube Studio and click on Analytics. Here, you can see how many people are watching your videos, where your audience is coming from, which videos are performing best. Use this data to improve your future content. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent with your uploads and engage with your audience. Reply to comments and ask for feedback to build a community around your channel. And that's it. You now have a YouTube channel ready to share your amazing content with the world. Remember, the key to success is staying consistent, being authentic, and always looking for ways to improve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video. Start your YouTube journey today. Good luck!